today we're going to learn about changes in matter. So in order to learn about something, you have to know what it is. So what are changes in matter? Well, first, there are two types of changes in matter. The first is a physical change. Physical change in matter can occur when material keeps its identity in size, shape, or volume. The second is a chemical change. It's when a substance in change in matter turns into another completely different substance in change in matter. The type we'll be experimenting with today is a physical change. You'll hear more about that in a few moments. Some experiments will have several parts, but this experiment we're doing today will only have 2 parts. We're about to conduct part 1 of our experiment.
Oh, hi, Emma, what are you doing?
Oh, we're just learning about changes in matter. We're about to conduct part 1 of an experiment. Would you like to help?
Yeah, sounds cool. What experiment are we doing today?
Well, we're going to make our very own bath fizzes.
Oh wow, I love bath fizzes.
Yeah, they're really fun. So let's talk about what we'll need to conduct this experiment. So, you'll need one. First, we're going to whisk the dry ingredients into this bowl. So, Ashton here is just going to help me pour all these dry ingredients into this bowl. Now, we're going to take our smaller glass bowl and we're going to add 2 teaspoons of our food coloring and oils. And she's going to measure that and pour that in here while I measure 1 tablespoon of oil. Take a spoon or the same one you're using, and you can just give that a good stir. Now, Ashton here, she's just going to spoon it gradually into the mixture. You don't want to add it all at one time or it'll get clumped up. So, she's just going to gradually add it while I whisk. Now the mixture, you're going to have to get messy with this. The mixture should be able to hold together like wet sand. So it shouldn't be able to seep through your fingers. So that's why we're going to add some water and we're going to gradually add it until it gets that texture. So we're going to do a few spritz and stir. So this should be good. See, it's holding together and it's not seeping through my fingers. That's what we want. Now we're just going to take this mixture, blue now, perfectly blue, beautiful, blueberry. And we have our molds here. So you can use any mold you want. Anything can be used as a mold, but we're just going to use these. They're just little circular bath fizz molds. So we're going to take some, just like this, our mixture, and we're going to pat it in there. Homemade. Homemade bath fizzes. Now, can you please take these to a safe place to dry? Hey guys, we're back. Now it's time to do part 2 of our experiment. We're going to test those bath fizzes we made. Now, to conduct this experiment, you will need Now, we're going to stop this timer because we just made all our observations here.
Wow, that was really fun. Well, I don't have any more time these days, so toodaloo.
Wow, that was really fun. We just experienced a change in matter. That was a physical change because the bath fizz was a solid and then converted or dissolved into a liquid.